see it fucking up again. Turn the key for a little bit. Okay.
Just hold that real quick.
Oh, man,
Come on, this way you go. Just hold. Alright, turn the key forward on the 2000. How we looking?
Shut it off.
Like, oh my God! Get it off!
So, but I see where my problem is. That's that fucking deal, man. Still don't think it's right.
No, it's spit that thing out again, so we gotta pull it out and put it back on.
Yeah. In case any folks want to know how to change a 2000 F350
Fuel filter, gasket ring.
Gasket ring. On the side of the road. Just go ahead and use the diesel to shine. What you got up?
Clean those motors up. That thing. I think we got to loosen it up, get the thing back inside of it. Pressure has been released.
Get the key off.
Yeah. This is what happens, what type of tools you got to use when you're on the side of the road. Stranded.
It's cheaper than a tow truck.
Way cheaper than a tow truck. Get some traction there. Always keep a spare ring for fuel filter when you run these diesels out in the middle of nowhere. Don't want to get left stranded. Tire iron and sledgehammer can be used for anything these days. For your roofing needs, please check out Iron Gate Roofing and Construction. We are Texas wide. We don't let a little engine failure stop us from getting to where we're going.
At 2:30.
Sucker is on there.
Never let your neighbor work that shit.
Ever. Overpriced. Bad work.
CNC auto.
No, hopefully they don't see this video. It's on pressure, I think.
Yeah, but well.
That's not a hammer.
Never drink on the job, folks.
Ever. Ladies and gentlemen, always carry a nice socket cassette with you when you're out on the road like this. Here we go. Oh man. See what we got? You didn't even take it off.
I don't think I needed to.
I'm going to see if it's lined up. I don't think it didn't get sucked out, did it?
I don't think so. No.
It's like a knuckle buster waiting to happen right here, ladies and gentlemen.
It does.
Looks good?
Hang on. Hang on.
Good luck.
Tight like the first night.
Tight like the first night.
I remember the first night. Should have been the last night.
Nope, straight.
you see anything sticking out?
Not visibly.
Let's try that.
Alright, can I get you to hold this camera for me real quick?
You were lying when they said they want long videos.
How are we looking?
For some reason, I think I can take that back to the office.
Let me start it?
No, I want to start it and just go. Right, back to the deal. Kill it real quick.
Fixed. Looks like we got a nice pressure hold here, ladies and gentlemen. Always recognize that redneck recovery, roadside assistance. Adios.